Tesla has refined its best-selling electric sedan, and the 2026 Model 3 might just be the most complete package yet. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the vehicles shaping the future of driving. Today, we're exploring what makes the latest Model 3 a game-changer in the EV space. Design. The 2026 Model 3 showcases Tesla's evolved design language with cleaner lines and improved aerodynamics. The refreshed front fascia and updated lighting signature give it a more premium appearance, while the minimalist interior remains strikingly modern. The cabin materials have been upgraded, and the increased sound insulation makes for a noticeably quieter ride. Tesla has clearly listened to feedback and delivered refinements that matter. Performance. Performance remains a Model 3's strong suit. The dual-motor setup delivers instant torque that never gets old, while the improved battery technology extends range beyond previous generations. The adaptive suspension system reads the road constantly, providing a smooth yet engaging driving experience. Whether you're commuting or carving canyon roads, the Model 3 responds with precision and confidence. Features and technology. The centerpiece is the updated infotainment system with faster processing and improved interface design. Autopilot capabilities continue to advance, making highway driving more relaxed. The new climate control system is more efficient, and the premium audio system delivers concert-quality sound. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and enhanced connectivity keep everyone powered up. Conclusion. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 proves that electric vehicles can be practical, exciting, and refined all at once. What's your take on the latest updates? Share your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more automotive deep dives. Thanks for watching.